focus to another big story of the day. And after India lost against South Africa yesterday in cricket, politics has now started. And this time, what we are witnessing, viewers, is a shocking remark, in fact, that has come from AIMIM Neta. In fact, India's first match in the Super 8 round in the ongoing T20 World Cup clearly didn't go as planned. India was handed a 76-run defeat at the hands of the 2024 runners-up South Africa, giving the men in blue their first defeat in the tournament. Now, this also happened to be India's first defeat in T20 World Cups in 13 games, which gives a sense of the quality of cricket team India has played over the last few years. However, all it took was one defeat for the naysayers to pick faults and even inject their own bizarre theories. The latest happens to be Asaduddin Owaisi's leader, Shoaib Jamai, who believes he knows why India lost the match against South Africa. He says that players like Mohammad Siraj, Mohammad Shami and Sarfaraz Khan were ignored, and weaker players in fact were used, and that's the reason why Team India's performance was not the best, and that hurt the men in blue against the match against South Africa. In the match against South Africa. He also says Gautam Gambhir must realize that he is Team India's head coach and not a BJP MP anymore. Let's go across to my colleague Shivam, joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, now it's quite shocking, not surprising though, because it has happened in the past as well. Once again, it's the communal spin that's being given to cricket, which is like religion, which actually unites everyone in this country.
Exactly, Hina. In fact, there's a certain kind of comments coming in, especially at the time when an event like World Cup is happening in India. India is hosting the World Cup, India is hosting the different countries, and as you rightly mentioned, it is the first loss of India in last two T20 World Cups and since 2023. So it is the...
Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Shivam in just a bit. There seems to be some problem with the connection out there, but this is the update that we are getting for you at this point in time. A shocking remark, viewers, that has come from Asaduddin Owaisi's leader, Shoaib Jamai, who believes he knows why India lost the match against South Africa yesterday. According to him, players like Mohammad Siraj, Mohammad Shami and Sarfaraz Khan were ignored, and weaker players, in fact, were used instead, and that hurt the men in blue and their performance. He's also said that Team India head coach, Gautam Gambhir is, in fact, he must realize that he is the Team India head coach and not a BJP MP anymore. He believes that cricket has now fallen prey to hate politics. BJP has come down heavily on this statement. BJP netas are saying this is a brazen attempt to communalize cricket for political gains. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.